Smart 24, driving business.
Thank you for staying tuned to Smart 24 Television, where we believe in driving your business this morning. Thank you for staying tuned to Smart Means Business from the hour of 7 a.m. Eastern African Time here in Kampala, Uganda. I just want to say a warm welcome to our friends who are watching us from Eswatini this morning, former Swaziland. We know that you're live. From Windhoek in Namibia, you're most welcome. Also, we're getting word that we're also live in Benin, and we're also live in Accra, Ghana, and we're also live in Mali this morning. We are on the platform DSTV on channel 349, if I'm not mistaken. All the details will be on your screen shortly. You too can find out more details about Smart 24 Television on our Twitter handle at Smart24TV, or better still, you can also follow me on @Jane Kasumba this morning. I'm a commercial lawyer, and my job is to talk and sound business. Without further ado, let me take this opportunity to, of course, introduce my guests. We're going to be talking about FX trading, foreign exchange trading, and how you at home can make money. So long as you have your phone and some internet connectivity, you can certainly make money this morning. And that's why Smart 24 is here. We want to show you a way. We want to give you business solutions so that you can make a return on investment on the money that you have on yourselves this morning. So two gentlemen who need no introduction in the world of FX trading, and who have very suave. They're looking very suave this morning. Very suave appearances this morning in Kampala. Right next to me is Mr. Moses Kamgisha, CEO of FX Volatus. You're most welcome, Moses.
Thank you for hosting us here as Team FX Volatus.
Yes.
It's our pleasure, and good morning to our viewers who are out there.
Okay, you look very suave this morning.
Thank you.
You look like, you know what they say, you look like the money man.
Yeah, money in the bank, actually.
Money in the bank. And next to him is Mr. Chiza Martin Maweja. He's also part CEO of FX Volatus this morning. Pleasure to have you here, Mr. Chiza Martin.
Yeah, it is my pleasure to be here this morning. I'm very excited that we are going to talk about financial literacy and how we can use forex trading to make money in this AI generation, in this 21st century.
Okay, it is indeed the 21st century and the AI generation, like Mr. Chiza has stated. You know, before you used to wake up early in the morning, like around 7 a.m. in the morning, and say, oh my God, let me get my briefcase, drive to work, get out of the car, get into the work until 5 o'clock, switch off your computer and then go home. But it's no longer like that. You can work 24/7. Morning, noon, and night, and you can use your phone to make money while you're doing that. So before we get down to the nitty-gritty of what has brought us here in terms of financial literacy and how to make money via forex trading, and also to ask these gentlemen, because some people think that it's a scam, you know, whenever something is new, whenever something is new and it has a return on investment somehow, the people cannot understand. People always say, I think that's a scam. I think that's not truthful. I think there's something there. I think there's juju there. So before we get to that, let me just get to know a little more about my guest, Mr. Moses. If I can come to you first, Mr. Moses Kamgisha. What is your morning like? What do you do in the morning? You go to the gym?
Actually, my morning is just too simple. As a forex trader, I don't need to have that pressure of morning jam that I'm going to rush. Jam is going to get me maybe around a roundabout. I wake up in the morning. I have to prepare myself something to first take to entice my stomach, you know.
Black tea.
Most of the time, a coffee.
A coffee,
A coffee which is very good, which just awakens all the veins and the body is up very well.
Yeah.
Then afterwards, after taking my cup of coffee, I have to go get my laptop. That's around like 9 when during the Frankfurt. You know, we have some sessions in the market, in the forex market. Here we look at Asian market, London market, and New York market. So I be waiting for.
So it's you look at the London market, you look at the American market.
At FX Volatility, we always trade the London market, which where London market opens at 10. So in the morning,
10 our time.
Yes, East African time here. So at 10, that's when I'm already prepared. By 9:30, I should be on my computer, waiting it to go and analyze my charts for the 30 minutes. That's the professional way. But someone who has not yet evolved in the market, you would take like throughout the night. You wake up in the middle of the night. You want to look at the markets.
Yeah.
But we professional traders at FX Volatility, we know the time we have to come in the market. Have to wake up knowing I'm going to come to the London session.
Yeah, at this time.
At this time.
Okay, let me bring you in here, Martin. What is your morning like, Martin? Morning for an FX trader, forex exchange trader such as yourself.
For us, we always have stress-free mornings because we basically trade the London session. At times we chip in with the New York session, but basically we trade the London session, which opens at around 10 Ugandan time. Basically, we sleep up to 8, then you wake up, you prepare yourself because we have to do what we call chart analysis, the technical analysis. Then we share with our trading community because we have to share with them our projections of the day, what we see, what we expect. Then as soon as London opens, we wait for the first 30 minutes, then we look for the opportunities of the day. So we stay on our laptops up to midday. At times we go past midday, depending on how the market is moving. If it is volatile, we trade and go. If it's not volatile, we stay a little bit longer.
Okay.
Yeah. Then after that, we go to our other businesses.
Okay.
Yeah.
So without further ado, let's get this let's get this ball rolling. For people who are watching us this morning, I know many of you, when you were much younger, used to see on your screen NASDAQ, which is on NASDAQ,
SP500,
SP500,
Dow Jones.
That's the one I was looking for.
Yeah.
Dow Jones. I mean, these really big words, and you see the arrows going up, arrows going down, green and what, and you see people are running around. I mean, you see a lot of stuff, and many people are just there. They call it lugezi-gezi. You look on the screen and you pretend as if you understand, but you don't understand anything.
Completely.
You don't understand anything. And the irony about it is that there's someone else who's interpreting that footage, interpreting that information, and making money, making clear return on investment. And these gentlemen have told me that they have the capacity to do that. So first of all, Mr. Kamkesha, Moses,
yes,
what is forex trading? What does it mean?
When you look at forex trading, actually forex is like a short term of foreign currencies. Foreign currencies, this is the buying and selling of different foreign currencies. Like the way if I would want maybe to travel, I would present my Ugandan shilling to a bureau to give me $1, right?
Yeah.
That's an exchange. So forex trading is the exchange of different currencies on the financial markets. You get? So in forex trading, hereafter, people will always term them into pairs, because you cannot say I'm going to sell like only a US dollar alone. It has to be having a base currency and a quote currency.
Yeah.
So in this case, where like I say like pound USD, now pound is a base currency and the dollar is the quote currency. So that means if I am to exchange a pound for $1, I will see what's the strength of $1. What's the strength of a pound? If a pound is more stronger than $1, basically I will buy a what? I'll buy a pound against the US dollar. So that's what we call forex trading in simple terms.
Okay?
Yes.
Martin, if I can bring you in, because people at home need to understand, because I know many people are excited once they find out that they have an option in which they can make money in the comforts of their home, not necessarily having to leave their home, and the only investment you have to make is on a good smartphone, a good laptop, and internet connectivity. It is a real buy, yeah? So what is Forex trading to you, Martin?
Surprisingly, financial markets have existed for a very long time. And it is absurd that we Africans either just laid back or we are just financially literate. Because I remember when we were growing up, as I told you earlier, we used to see Dow Jones, NASDAQ, SP 500, and there we would ask ourselves, what do these things mean? But when we grew up, we decided to dig deeper. That's how we came to about learning Forex. So Forex to us is a driving mechanism for our generation to make money in a very can I say in a very convenient way when you are seated at home. Now when you look at financial markets, they are divided into different sectors. Briefly, we have bank bonds, we have cryptocurrencies. Last time you had Mr. Bali here talking about cryptocurrencies. And then we have indices like Dow Jones, like NASDAQ 100. Now when they say NASDAQ 100, we came to learn that these are 100 American companies. They are put into an index so that you can invest in. Then you have SP 500. Then you can go ahead and have features, indices. Then we have basically for us to do with foreign currency, that is Forex, where we invest in different economies. Let's say the US economy versus the South African economy. So we have a pair between the South African franc and the US dollar. So we call that pair USD ZA, or US dollar South African rand, sorry. So there you can either decide to invest in the dollar or in the rand. So our job in the morning is to wake up and look at these two economies. How is the US economy performing against the South African economy? Now, if I anticipate that due to the current world events, the dollar is going to gain strength against the rand, then I buy the US dollar against the rand. No, as the dollar gains value against the rand, I'm making profit. So it is about me to get out of the trade or to stay longer, because the performance of these economies keep on fluctuating. So now you can hold longer, you make money, then you lose it. Sometimes we invest for a very short time. So we have different traders. We have people who stay in the market for a very short time, 20 minutes, 1 hour. Then we have people who invest for long. Now for us, we are here to make money. So for us, we invest for maximum 1 hour, 2 hours, then we get out of the market. Then the most interesting part about Forex, now if the rand is also losing value against the dollar, we can still make money. So we buy and sell currencies simultaneously. The best example I can give you right now, gold prices are shooting up. It's because people are transferring money to the safe haven, which is gold. Because
so what is at what rate is gold now? 60?
Let him check, because we can let him check live on the platform. So continue, Mr. Martin. So people right now, they are investing in gold because it is a safe haven for the
volatile markets.
For the volatile market, because of the war which is transpiring. So our job is to wake up, look at world events. There are so many platforms like Bloomberg, like where you can read this information and see how the world economies are performing. Then you can invest accordingly.
Now my second question to you gentlemen is, whenever there's something new on the market, there are two things. If it's something to do with entertainment, a new restaurant, a new cafe, etc., Ugandans rush to it very quickly. very quickly. If it's something to a get-rich-quick scheme, Ugandan people run to it very quickly. But if it is something that requires you to, from what you've made me understand, something that requires research, knowledge, and learning, financial literacy, many people would not be interested. So the question is, why should Ugandans learn how to trade and invest in financial markets? Why? If I can come to you, Moses.
Thank you so much. That's a very interesting question. Why should Ugandans out there watching us at Smart 24 start forex trading? There is a lot of unemployment in Uganda.
Yeah.
We see a lot of graduates. Every university now and again, they are sending people to the world of work, to seek for jobs, not to create jobs, right? Here at FX Volatus, we spotted a gap of where everyone is having a smartphone, can access the internet. Most of the people were in the urban centers, right? And they are very much educated. So we are at FX Volatus, we came up actually with a trading hub where these people can come and we train them and get the skill, right? By getting the skills and everyone starts trading, we are creating jobs for the people. When the smart jobs, this is what we call them smart jobs, where you can even work from anywhere you are, whether you are in a cafe, in a restaurant, or anywhere. In a good restaurant, you can still trade the market. So we are here at FX Volatus to bridge that gap that these people have not been seeing, that have not been able to dive into and understand what really transpires in the forex markets, right? Because you find you have university graduates, we have those people who are holding bachelors, but they have no jobs. So we are here to bridge that gap of unemployment by creating opportunities. Now imagine where FX Volatus has educated like million people, Ugandans. They are all on the same platform, they are trading, they are making maybe $20, $30 per day. You come to the chat and you have analyzed and you're making money, right? Instead of being home and you're begging your parents, maybe give me this, give me that. So we are trying to streamline our industry, which there has been called a scam.
Yeah.
You get whenever you talk about online forex trading or something concerning online, people think it is a scam. This is no longer a scam. This is a real business, a real big deal.
Yes.
This is a real big deal, and everyone should really see it into that perspective. Don't complete your campus and you stay home and you say, I have no employment. We can help you and we groom you to becoming a better trader like us we are. We are better traders of our generation. So at FX Volatus, we equip you with all the skills and the knowledge so that you can, even when you have your $10, $5, you can start a journey of forex trading and start making $2. That's about 7,000 over a day. You have a lunch, you have a transport. Instead of just staying there, you are doing things which don't really bring an income. We are here to change the perspective of the people that forex trading can bring an income in your pocket, even if you have not gone to school. You can come and learn the skill. After learning the skill, it will really give you a productive profits. You'll be profitable when you're trading with us at our trading hub, FX Volatus. That's one of the challenges we are looking at. Unemployment. Unemployment has been something which has been so crazy. I remember in 2019, I completed my campus at Makerere University, but I had no job.
What did you study, by the way?
Actually, I did a good course. I did a bachelor's degree in procurement, supply chain management at moves, and I had my good grades, first class. But I couldn't go like here.
You didn't have an opportunity?
I didn't have the opportunity maybe to join the good institutions which would be paying me good money. As a man, you want, we are aggressive. Men in nature, we are aggressive. We want to get something to put on table for ourselves and our families and the people who are around us. Because when I win, other people will do what? Will be winning. So as for us, that's how actually I came to learn about forex trading. After my campus, that was in 2019 around July, I worked with some company for about 4 months. I was like, this is not paying me what I need. I need to really change the scope of my business. So that's when I got to know about Forex. Yes, I started from that way, being unemployed, because being employed in Uganda, like what's an average pay over in Uganda? About like $150. That $150, it is just now a click on my charts, and I get that $150, and I'm good, and I have enough time to exercise other duties of mine. So in 2019, that's when I came to know about Forex. It has been a journey. It's been a journey now of about 4 years. So when you come to the Forex market, it's not just that you're going to come and bring your money on the table and say, I'm going to trade. No, you have to accept the process of learning. You must learn first, because you can't tell me that you are produced and you just grew up without anyone's killing you or giving you advice, or say go to school here and there, and you become a professional in doing something. No, there must be a hand to touch you, to show you the way that this is how this thing is done. Like we FX Volatiles, we are doing, we are giving a hand to the people, both struggling traders and the beginners, and those who are already there but they are struggling. We welcome them to FX Volatiles and we show them our way. Because when you look at the internet, when you talk about Forex trading, someone will go and Google, I want to learn how to trade. And that area is full of sharks, right? Where you just to go, everyone is just putting something.
You mean there are also buyers in that area?
At the information they give you from that zone, it's their perspective of what can I give these people to get maybe a big following, maybe I do something. Because when you check like 90% of the YouTube videos that the content creators about Forex trading, you will find that they are almost relative the same thing. Why are they giving you the same things from there? Why and here someone does not want to pay for mentorship or to be taken through that process. They want to go and study by their own. They want to go to free seminars. In free seminars, who will give you the information that they have struggled for 1, 2, 3, 4 years for free. You will go to the seminars, you will find on the showbiz, which is just there.
So the most important thing is to learn. You guys have to learn how to trade and invest in financial markets. If I can bring in Martin before we go for the break. How important is it to learn? How long did it take you to learn all this information about the NASDAQ, to actually trade in these shark-infested waters?
Okay, for me it has taken me close to 5 years. I started in 2017. There was a company which came here called iMarkets Live. I know many of our viewers have an idea about iMarkets Live. It was kind of a networking company, but their product was Forex. So irrespective of doing networking, my interest was in the product they were selling to us. So I joined them for like 4 months. I picked interest, but I never wanted the networking bit of it, of inviting people. You bring someone under you like that. So I left. Then I went on a solo journey of looking for information. Fortunately, I managed to get online mentorship. I started, for people who have an idea about Forex, I went through ICT, Inner Circle Trader, Steve Mulo Market Maker. We did smart money concepts. So I want to assure many viewers out there, aspiring traders, struggling traders, that I've gone through those courses and through the front door. Not getting videos from YouTube. I paid, then I started through the front door, because in our industry you can study behind from the behind by getting videos from different mentors.
But you need someone to take you through, to guide you through. Well, that's a good tip. I've been talking to both Martin and Moses from FX Volatiles. They're experts when it comes to foreign exchange trading. We at Smart Business ensure that you're able to find new opportunities on how to make money if you're a young person this morning. Perhaps you're unemployed, perhaps not a lot is going on in your life at this particular moment, but you want to make some money to sustain yourself, and you're looking for something credible that can do that. So long as you have internet connectivity, a laptop, or your phone, you can start the adventure of Forex exchange trading. However, like the gentleman from FX Bulletins have told us, it's not just about jumping in or piggyback riding on someone else's hard work. You have to do the hard work. You have to understand, and it takes time. Yeah, it takes time for you to appreciate and understand how to read the markets and then how to invest where on a market. That's a discussion this morning: financial literacy and FX trading, and how you, as a young Ugandan person, or as a Ugandan person, or an African person across the continent, can maximize on this AI generation. It's the AI generation. We'll be right back.
Smart 24